In this video, we'll explore whether H Resort in Calape is worth your investment. We'll spend at least a night there to give you a comprehensive overview of their offerings. We'll take you on a room tour, show you their outdoor pool, and provide a brief food review. We'll also highlight other activities you can enjoy during your stay. Let's start with the room tour.
Oh, hi, come in. So, welcome to H Resort. So today, I'm gonna give you a little bit of room tour. So let's start from here. So as you can see, there is like the coffee, free complimentary coffee, and also right there is a big closet. So there's a vault too, and a mini fridge. So yeah, and that part right there is the toilet and bath, but we're gonna check that one later. Come here. So we booked for at least a night for deluxe for two with this baby right here. So they gave us two single beds. The lighting is really good, right? So there's a big TV right here. There is the working station right here if you're gonna be working, and a little bit of coffee table right here. And I guess this is the view outside, but it's a garden view. So let's check the toilet and bath. Let's go. All right, so I guess the toilet and bath. Oh, it's okay. There's a big mirror right here, the sink, and free towel, the hot and cold, I guess. And this is the shower right here. Take a look. Outline. Okay. So we're gonna be exploring other activities that we can do here because they told me that we have a free paddle boarding and also kayak for 15 minutes for two. And also we're gonna be checking out their pool, and also we're gonna be tasting their food. It's really good and worth the price. So they're also allowing our fur babies here, so we just have to give them a heads up, but it costs like 1,000 pesos for them, and also 2,000 for the security deposit, which can be refunded upon checkout. So check-in time will be 3 p.m. and checkout time will be 12 p.m. So let's go. Thank you. Hi guys, so we're having a lunch for today. So I ordered myself a spaghetti with a hot chocolate, and also we have this big burger with the fries and watermelon. So yeah, we're just gonna be trying their food. It's really worth the price, and I will let you know. Okay.
The perfect slice of the burger.
Yeah, jelas konsep. How's it? I mean,
Ang iyahang kuan ang iyahang sana palaman kay juicy kayo ang meat.
okay.
Ayan. May pineapple na sa pineapple niya.
Yeah. Alright, so it's time for me to taste the spaghetti. So let's try it, okay? I don't know if you can see. It has an Italian sauce. I'm pretty sure of that because it's kind of soury, but it's really good. I'm gonna try their burger right here. Try this. I think the taste, the pot is really good. This is worth the money. We paid like, I think 550 for the spaghetti, and 500 and something also for the burger, which is really big. 530, right? So I have this hot chocolate as well, and also an iced tea or iced coffee.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah, later on we're gonna try to see if we can do kayak and paddle boarding. I hope Mr. Sun will come out and we're gonna check their pool as well. So we're just gonna eat, okay? I'll see you later. So guys, just as an update, we are heading to their pool and also to the beach because they gave us like a 15 minutes free doing a kayak and also a paddleboard. So I bring my drone with me here. So it's a good weather right now compared earlier. Medyo maulan kanina, so it's the perfect, I guess, time for us to be able to do those things. Kasi baka bukas umulan, so why not today? So yeah, let's head to the beach and also to the pool area and do some kayak and paddleboard.
Let's go to the beach.
Okay, so we are on our way to do the paddleboarding because there's no available kayak as of now because they're being used. So we have free 15 minutes for each. It's up to you which one. So that would be each person, right? Yeah. So he's gonna try the paddleboard first because I'm gonna fly my drone later. So it is a perfect weather. The Mr. Sun is here. There's not so much cloud. So yeah, let's go. Because I'm gonna fly my drone for him, and we're gonna take turns. I'm gonna do kayak also later on, so yeah. I'm just gonna fly my drone then. I'll see you. Okay, so after we did the kayaking, the paddle boarding, we are now gonna be trying the infinity pool. Look at that. There's only a few guests right now, so the pool is unto ourselves. So let's go, let's try the water. Woo! So, this is actually our second time here because we've been here for like 2 weeks ago. We just did use their day use, which is 500 pesos. Each 400 pesos is consumable on food and drink. So, the reason why we came here back because we really love how quiet it is, how peaceful it is, how relaxing it is. So beautiful. It is, you know, big pool that we have. Infinity, we have this kind of glassy, plasticky, I don't know what this is. It's gonna see through. It can be seen from the other part. Look at that. You can see my body, right? So yeah, this time we checked in, which is booked for only one night because we wanted to experience the full night experience here at H Resort. Oh, yeah, a lot of chairs and some kind of bed right there where you can chill. Hopefully there's gonna be a beautiful sunset this afternoon. It's still like an hour away from the sunset, so hopefully we can see a beautiful and capture that beautiful sunset. So this is a highly recommended resort here in Calape Bohol. baby Aying! So we're just sitting, the three of us right here, watching the sunset. Look at that. That one, I don't know if you can see. So we're just chilling, and other people too are just sitting and chilling, watching the sunset. It's so beautiful, right? Hi, my name is Aying. My name is Aying. Aying, Ying, Ying. It's so relaxing here. Most of the people here are foreign people, so not much Filipinos. They told me that most of the guests here are like Koreans, Americans. So yeah, there are also people doing day use also. So you can do day use for 500 pesos. So that 400 pesos consumable for the drink. So yeah, not bad at all. They have a good food, so it's definitely worth it. So yeah, we're just gonna continue sitting here and just sitting the sunset. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. So it is our last day here at 8 Resort. So we decided to wake up early so we can be the first guests to be on the pool, so we can have a solo pool drone shot, and we made it. So we had a great shot earlier, and so we're gonna be heading towards the seaside, towards there, you can see. So we'll try to see and check that out. Okay, so we are here. So there's actually a floating thing towards going towards there. So I've asked this chap, and he told me that you can actually do fishing here. So you just have to bring your own fishing rod. So you're not allowed to go fishing inside this boya thing, this white thingy. So it has to be right there. This is the area where you can do fishing. That one, and here's the other one. So look at that. There's a lot of fish that you can see. I don't know if you can see in the video, but there are small that I can see right here. So yeah, the staff told me that whenever you're able to catch a fish, that should be yours, and there's no fee that you have to pay. So this is the area part right here where you can do fishing. Yeah. Our breakfast for today is we have lumi. We have some salad here. We have rice, fried rice. We have this ngoyo. We have this pork longanisa. We have this fish paksiw, chop suey, and we have some breads right here. And also some drinks, coffee, and juices, cereals. So it is our last day today here at H Resort. So they have a buffet breakfast. This actually includes our room accommodation. So they have a buffet. I only have like pancake, ngoyong, pork longanisa, fried rice, and lumi. so I don't want to eat a lot this morning. So after this, we're gonna be chilling to the seaside, so we can just have this slow Sunday with you. Hi guys, so my final verdict. I would say it's 10 out of 10. It's really worth it here when you check in here at H Resort. So the two things that I really love about this resort is that their staff, they're so friendly, accommodating, and it's 10 out of 10. And also the food, I really love the food. The taste, it's so delicious, and also the pool, how quiet it is, how calm it is. It's so stress-free, and also the sunset is superb. I really love how the sunset from yesterday. So if you wanted to like at least spend a night here, it would be really worth it with your money.